This Coldwell Banker American Home property video is presented by Annette Harper. Lovely updated maintenance provided ranch home at the end of a cul-de-sac. New flooring throughout the house and updated painting throughout. Spacious living room with lots of natural light. 2 large bedrooms, each with their own bathroom and spacious walk-in closets. Main floor laundry. Basement has daylight windows, family room, full bathroom and loads of storage. This is a lovely home. Lawn and snow, exterior paint on HOA. For more information, review the details below or contact Annette Harper at 785-267-2700.